It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, June the 17th. I'm Michael Groff. Dry weather and temperatures fairly close to seasonal averages to round out the week. As we head into the weekend and next week, a warming trend takes over, high temperatures approaching 110 degrees. And we'll look out for that monsoon moisture. Any sign of that coming into the southwest anytime soon. All right, let's dive in and discuss yesterday in the valley. 106 degrees the afternoon high, 77 the morning low, the normals 104 and 78. And outside now here at 7:05 a.m. We've got sunny skies out there, 79 degrees presently at Sky Harbor, dew points at 34, humidity 20%, the wind from the east-southeast at 10, and the barometer is rising. Checking out the temperatures around the area this morning, 60 degrees, the cool spot at Fort McDowell, 68 Goldfield, 69 South Mountain and Buckeye. Most of the rest of the metro in the low 70s to low 80s. Here's the satellite across the southwest. Severe clear here over Arizona. Not a cloud to be found. Storm system up to the north across Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, and moving east from there. The southern periphery of that trough will keep temperatures moderated here across the southwest for the next few days. Here's the watch warning map. Of course, we still have red flag warnings across much of the west, some wind advisories as well. And yes, that's a winter storm warning for parts of southwest Montana and eastern Idaho, where the snowflakes will be flying. Even some frost advisories out here across the west as well, as we remain with below average temperatures in many spots. Elsewhere across the country, it's fairly quiet right now. Convective outlook for today, we've got a slight risk of severe storms to include places like Grand Forks, Fargo, North Dakota, southward toward Aberdeen, South Dakota, with a marginal risk for the adjacent areas. It'll be pretty hot up there today, too. Temperatures in those northern plain states up into the middle 90s. Elsewhere, a marginal risk over West Texas and another one for parts of Virginia and North Carolina. Precipitation for the next 7 days, forget about it. Nothing here in the valley, nothing statewide. The typical mid to late June weather pattern holds on, and we'll detail it more as we take a look at the models, see what's going on. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's our trough across the Rockies and trailing back here into the southwestern states. A westerly flow aloft, so down at the surface. Sunny skies, dry air, highs this afternoon, upper 90s to near 103. Tonight with clear skies and dry air, dew points generally in the 30s, so overnight lows will be in the upper 60s to middle 70s. And then tomorrow, more of the same, sunny skies, highs upper 90s to near 103, and the same thing on Friday, upper 90s to near 103. As we go to the weekend, we'll start a slow warming trend as high pressure starts to build back in across the southwest, highs 102 to 105. On Sunday, highs 104 to 107, and 107 to 110 on Monday. Sunny skies, dry air continues. Tuesday, this looks like a pretty hot day with highs 108 to 111, and mostly sunny skies continuing. And here's a week from today. This is Wednesday the 24th. A trough over the western Great Lakes, a 591 ridge along the border of New Mexico and Arizona. Kind of a southerly flow developing, and that could be interesting if that verifies. Still looks pretty hot, though. Highs pretty close to 110 degrees. And going out 10 days to the end of the forecast period. This is Friday the 26th. Still have the trough over the Great Lakes, ridging to the east. Another short wave over the Pacific Northwest. Kind of some moisture shown to be pulled into the southwest off of the GFS. Maybe some widely scattered showers and thunderstorms over the eastern part of the state, as would be typical in late June. But just for shiggles, let's take a look at what the European has going on at the same time. Friday the 26th, it's got a cutoff low along the Baja coast there, and that solution is kind of an outlier and certainly a little out of bounds for what we would see in late June, but just thought I'd show you that. Speaking of the European, let's take a look at precipitation coming off of the European ensemble. 51 members here, and yeah, pretty much dry conditions for the next couple of weeks to round out the month of June. All right, temperatures off the national blend of models. Not too bad for the rest of the week. These would actually be slightly below normal temperatures through Friday. And then we'll warm it up as we head into the weekend and next week. Highs getting up to around or maybe above 110 degrees. Those overnight lows in the 70s and climbing into the 80s. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new video, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Be safe out there. Stay cool. Drink plenty of water. Watch your kids around the swimming pool. and you guys have yourselves a great Wednesday.